Every Tesla begins its journey inside one of the world's most advanced electric vehicle manufacturing facilities. Powerful robotic systems shape raw steel and aluminum into the lightweight structure of every electric vehicle.
The battery pack, the heart of every electric vehicle, is assembled with extraordinary precision and strict quality control.
Thousands of precision-engineered components come together through advanced robotics and skilled engineering. Every vehicle undergoes extensive testing to ensure exceptional safety, reliability, and performance before leaving the factory. After passing every inspection, each electric vehicle is prepared for customers around the world.
This is how advanced manufacturing transforms raw materials into the electric vehicles shaping the future of transportation.